And in this episode of WQA Radio, our weekly podcast, we are going to be talking about instructor-led training at the Water Quality Association. We've got two of our instructors. We've got Paul Friot and Cliff Fasnacht.
Fundamentally, I would say for the CWS classes, we are giving the students a foundation of knowledge upon which to build. In other words, they're not going to finish these classes and know, quote unquote, everything there is to know about water quality. In fact, I would say none of us are in that category, but it gives them a basis, some basic knowledge. It gives them a way to approach problem solving. And we also get involved with the ethics, as well as looking at certified systems. If they need to deal with primary contaminants, what do they need to look for as far as having certified systems? So it's a variety of aspects.
Basically, we like to equip the students with the tools, knowledge that they can take out in the field when they're installing these devices to be able to do a much more professional job, much faster job, much more efficient job that provides the owners, management, their companies, a better view in the customer's eyes.
What's in it for the employer?
With a installer that has those tools, has that knowledge, from an employer standpoint, you're going to be more productive. Your company is going to have a better image to the customer, and the industry is going to have a much better image.
So, Paul, it's almost like, why wouldn't you want your employees to go through this training?
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, part of what we are trying to instill is to have a certain approach to problem solving. For example, whether it's what Cliff's talking about with, okay, what's plan B? If you get to the house and it isn't what you expected. But also if you're analyzing either test results or you are in a customer's kitchen discussing symptoms that they're experiencing, what's a sort of a logical way to go after the goal of satisfying the customer? And part of that involves understanding what are the customer's goals.